Assalamu alaikum dear student. Hope you are well by the grace of Almighty Allah. Welcome to NIEVS Home School. I am Belal Hussain, Assistant Teacher of Mathematics of National Ideal English Version School, Day Shift. Dear student, you look, today our topic word problem part 3. Word problem part 3, term annual and lesson number 39. Lesson number 39. Dear student, you see, today I have there are two word problems which is already done in the previous class. Okay. Now I will solve these two word problems. Okay. You see the first one. There are 10 mangoes in one basket. That means in one basket there are 10 mangoes. If there are 6 baskets, how many mangoes are there in total? Okay. Dear student, observe here. One basket contains 10 mangoes. So 6 baskets contain more mangoes. Okay. Okay, dear student, right now. Right. One basket contains one basket contains 10 mangoes. Right now 10 mangoes. Okay, one basket contains 10 mangoes. Now see how many baskets? There are 6 baskets. Therefore, you write, this is called therefore 6 baskets contain, so 6 baskets contain more mangoes. That means this will be multiplication. That means 10 into 6. This is equal to what? We know 10 6 are 60. Ten 6 are what? 10 6 are 60. So in 6 baskets there are 60 mangoes are contained in total. Okay. So write the answer. Answer 60 mangoes. Okay, student, I hope you understood. You see, in one basket contains 10 mangoes, therefore 6 baskets contain more mangoes. That means 10 into 6. This is equal to what? 60 mangoes. Okay. Now write the answer 60 mangoes. Now I will solve the question number 2. Okay, dear student, you see, Nasima bought books for 85 taka. She gave the shopkeeper a 50 taka note. What is meant by this? Suppose you are Nasima, you bought a books for 85 taka. That means 85, that means 80 taka plus 5 taka. Okay, this is called 85 taka. She gave the shopkeeper a 50 taka note. Okay, then you give the shopkeeper a 50 taka note and two 20 taka notes. That means 2 notes of 20 taka. That means this is equal to what? 20 into 2. That means 40 taka. Now question, how much did she receive the cents? That means how much taka did she back from the shopkeeper? Okay. Okay, dear student, now I will solve this. Right. solution. Two notes of 20 টাকা. Two notes of 20 টাকা means what? 20 into 2 is equal to what? 40 টাকা. Okay, dear student, you also look. She gave the shopkeeper a 50 taka note. That means she gave the shopkeeper not only the two notes of 20 taka, she gave also a 50 taka note. Okay, that means she gave the shopkeeper 40 taka notes, 40 taka and 50 taka. Okay, that means 40 plus 50 equal to what? 90 taka. Okay, now write. Nasima gave the shopkeeper in total. Nasima gave the shopkeeper 50 taka plus this 40 taka is equal to what? Is equal to 90 taka. Okay, 50 taka plus 40 taka, this is equal to 90 taka. You can easily calculate 0 and 0, 5 plus 4 equal to 9. Okay, remember, but the price of the book is 85 taka. Okay, Nasima bought books for 85 taka. Now question, how much did she receive the cents? That means how much taka did you back from the shopkeeper? Okay, dear student, now write. The price for book is the price for book. The price for books. How much taka? 85 taka. Okay. Now question. How much did she receive the cents? Okay, now write. Therefore, she received received. You see the spelling RECEIVED. Received. She received the cents She received the cents. How much taka? 90 minus 85 taka is equal to what? 5 taka. You see 0, that means 10. 10 minus 5 equal to 5, and you have 1 in your hand. 1 plus 8, 9. 9 minus 9, 0. Oh, otherwise you can easily calculate 90 taka minus 85 taka equal to 5 taka. Okay, now write the answer. $5. Okay, dear student, I hope you understood today's topic. You keep practicing at home. You avoid by your friends. You stay safe, stay well. See you again.